Hey guys, it's Tamra. Wanted to make this really quick video on skin prep for your makeup. Now skin prep is so important, and I just want to emphasize it, which is why I made it its own video. So the acronym we want to remember is CTM. Cleanse, Tone, Moisturize. So I always want to work with clean skin. You want to tell your clients to come with no makeup on, and even then you want to go ahead and have them wipe their face with a makeup wipe, just to make sure that their face is clean. And then you want to go in with your toner to tone the skin. That's going to refresh the skin, that's going to balance the pH, that's going to get rid of any residue that may have been left over from the cleanser. It's very important to tone the skin. It just has so many benefits. It's going to brighten it. It's just basically reinforcing that cleanse. Now you want to go in with your moisturizer to get the skin nice and hydrated. Prior to your application, you're about to be piling layers and layers of products on your face. Setting powder, of course, is to set your makeup and kind of dry it. So you just don't want your skin to be dry when you're adding all of these products. It's not going to look nice. So for that even, hydrated, airbrush finish, you just want to make sure that your skin is hydrated underneath. Now I'm going to take my Bobbi Brown Hydrating Under Eye Cream, y'all. This stuff is the holy grail. It's a little pricey, but it's worth every penny. I've seen a lot of people, like in makeup groups that I'm in, ask about, like, what can you do to stop the under eye from being so dry and cakey after you set it. This is it, y'all. Like, I love this stuff. It is the best under eye base. It really hydrates your under eye. So if you have that problem and you're looking for a solution, honey, this is it. So just going to press that into your skin real nice. Make sure that under eye is nice and hydrated. Now, y'all, for the most controversial product in the makeup community, Milk of Magnesia. I'm just putting a little on her brows just so I can get a nice matte base to start filling them in. And then I'm going to put a little in her T-zone area, just to make sure she doesn't get oily. Now, y'all, different things work for different people. Some people just swear, like, don't use Milk of Magnesia, blah, blah. Like, if it works for you, it works for you. It's great for keeping oil out. I would not recommend you use it every day because it is a laxative. So I wouldn't recommend you use it every day. But if you need your makeup to last all day, then I think it's great to use. Different products react different to different people. So it's like, it might be great for someone, it might not be great for another person. So just, use your own discretion. Don't listen to what anyone else says. Try it for yourself and see how you like it. Now I'm just going to go in with the primer and prime her skin. I'm using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is a great primer. It really makes your makeup stick and not go anywhere. So basically all of these things create a layer, so that's kind of like a barrier between your makeup and your skin. So skin prep, y'all, is so important. I just want to emphasize it in order to get the flawless finish that we all love so much. So I hope this was helpful to someone. And now if you're interested in seeing the final look, watch the next video.